Task number 6, challenge number 2. The suspicious Chocolate.exe. Let's view the site. We have an executable which is suspicious, caught by our virus scan. File is ready to scan. Alright, so we are not scanning yet this. A shiny USB label Stockmas Party playlist appeared on your desk. Inside is a mysterious file called Chocolate.exe. It looks festive, but who sent it? In this challenge, you'll scan the file using a simulated virus total tool to decide whether it's safe or malicious. Checking suspicious files is a crucial skill for every defender. Objective: determine if Chocolate.exe is safe or infected. Steps: click the scan button, review the scan report, 49 clean results and 1 is malicious. Decide correctly whether the file is safe or dangerous. Let's press the scan button for this one. So we have the vendor from Malheur Labs, which a result of Malheur Trojan, and we have some details over here. Alright, so basically is malicious.